Attention social media enthusiasts and growth-oriented investors. Today, on Stocks Telegraph, we're setting our sights on Pinterest, a unique visual discovery platform that's capturing the hearts of millions. Is Pinterest poised to become the next social media powerhouse, or is it just a fad destined to fade? In this deep dive analysis, we'll dissect Pinterest's potential, explore its financial performance, and uncover the factors that could propel it towards social media dominance. Can Pinterest become a cornerstone of your investment portfolio, or is it best left on the maybe later board? Let's get pinning and see what unfolds. Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. The social media landscape is constantly evolving, with new platforms emerging and established giants vying for user attention. One platform that has carved out a distinct niche is Pinterest, a visual discovery platform that allows users to curate and share ideas through images and videos. Boasting over 400 million monthly active users, Pinterest has established itself as a major player in the social media sphere. But is this platform simply a haven for DIY enthusiasts and recipe inspiration, or does it possess the potential to become the next social media juggernaut? In the next part of the video, we'll delve into Pinterest's recent financial performance to see if the numbers paint a picture of a thriving company. Stay tuned to find out if Pinterest deserves a spot on your watch list. Before we dive into the financial data, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us your thoughts on Pinterest. Do you believe visual discovery platforms like Pinterest have the potential to disrupt the traditional social media model? Now, let's grab our magnifying glasses and examine Pinterest's recent financial performance to see if it reflects the platform's user base growth. Let's start with the current price of $40.48. While not at its 52-week high, the analyst's mean target price of $45.02 suggests a potential upside of over 11%. This indicates that analysts believe in Pinterest's future growth potential. This optimism is further bolstered by Pinterest's impressive performance over the past year. The stock price has surged by an astounding 83.50%, showcasing significant growth. Even the last week has been positive, with a growth of 23.23%. These figures paint a picture of a company on an upward trajectory. Digging deeper, we see a remarkable gross margin of 78.10%. This exceptional profitability signifies Pinterest's ability to generate significant profits from its advertising and user base. Furthermore, both EPS and quarterly earnings growth are incredibly impressive. This year's EPS growth sits at a robust 30.87% and quarterly earnings growth clocks in at a phenomenal 88.05%. These consistent growth metrics across key financial indicators suggest that Pinterest is effectively scaling its operations and delivering strong financial results. But wait, there's more. Pinterest also boasts impressive earnings and revenue surprises from the last quarter. The EPS surprise of 48.15% and revenue surprise of 5.67% indicate that Pinterest exceeded analyst expectations, further solidifying investor confidence in the platform's potential. While financial metrics are crucial, a social media platform's true strength lies in its users. The recent news of Pinterest exceeding user growth expectations, with a 12% increase in active users compared to last year, is a positive sign. This growth indicates that Pinterest is successfully attracting and retaining users, a vital element for long-term success. Furthermore, CEO Bill Reddy's statement highlighting this as fastest user and revenue growth since 2021 adds fuel to the fire, suggesting Pinterest is regaining momentum. But how does Pinterest translate its user base into revenue? The answer lies in their advertising strategy. Pinterest boasts an exceptional gross margin of 78.10%, indicating their ability to generate significant profits from advertising. This signifies that their advertising model is effective in reaching their target audience and generating a strong return on investment. Looking ahead, Pinterest's projected revenue growth of 18% to 20% for the second quarter, while slightly lower than the first quarter's stellar performance, still represents their second fastest growth in the past 2 years. This consistent growth trajectory suggests that Pinterest is on the right track and has plans in place to sustain its momentum. While established social media giants like Facebook and Instagram dominate the market, Pinterest possesses unique strengths that set it apart. Firstly, Pinterest focuses on visual discovery, allowing users to curate and share ideas through images and videos. This distinct approach caters to a specific user base seeking inspiration and planning, not just mindless scrolling. Secondly, Pinterest boasts a massive international user base, with almost 80% of their users residing outside the US. While this international audience currently contributes only 20% of their revenue, it represents a significant untapped monetization opportunity. As Pinterest refines its advertising strategy for these international markets, we can expect to see a substantial increase in revenue in the coming years. Thirdly, Pinterest is experiencing a surge in Gen Z users, with this demographic accounting for nearly 40% of its user base. Gen Z's growing purchasing power, video-centric consumption habits, and high lifetime value make them a highly attractive target audience. By catering to their preferences and incorporating video-based features, Pinterest positions itself for significant future growth. Finally, Pinterest is constantly innovating to enhance user engagement. Features like collages, AI-powered auto-organization tools, and Shop Similar for mobile make the platform more user-friendly and promote deeper engagement. From an investor's perspective, Pinterest's current valuation of 7.2 times trailing 12-month sales is particularly attractive. This sits well below its 5-year average ratio of 10.9, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. Pinterest presents a compelling case for growth-oriented investors seeking exposure to the social media sector. Their impressive user growth, particularly among the valuable Gen Z demographic, combined with their untapped international monetization potential, suggests significant room for future revenue expansion. Furthermore, their focus on innovation and user engagement through features like collages and AI-powered recommendations positions them to maintain user interest in the long run. The current valuation, trading below its historical average, adds to the appeal. However, the social media landscape is ever-changing, and competition is fierce. Pinterest needs to continuously adapt and innovate to stay ahead of the curve. Additionally, effectively monetizing their massive international user base will be crucial for sustained growth. Before adding pins to your portfolio, conduct thorough research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider your overall investment goals. Pinterest offers a unique opportunity in the social media space, but it's not without its challenges. This analysis of Pinterest is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Stocks Telegraph for more in-depth stock analysis. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on Pinterest's future and the potential of the visual discovery platform. Until next time, happy investing.